In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock channels on Discord. If you've ever needed to pause conversations in a busy text channel, maybe during an announcement or while moderating, this quick walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to do it by adjusting channel permissions. Before we start, make sure you have the right permissions in the server. You'll typically need the ability to manage channels or manage permissions or overall admin privileges. A simple way to tell: look at the channel list on the left. When you hover your mouse over the text channel you want to lock, a small gear icon should appear. If you don't see that gear, you likely don't have the required rights and will need someone with higher permissions to help. With permissions confirmed, hover over the text channel you want to lock and click the gear icon to open its settings. This opens the Edit Channel window. From here you'll find several tabs on the left side of the pop-up. Click on Permissions. This is where you control who can do what in this specific channel. Inside Permissions, you'll see a list of roles and possibly individual members. To lock the channel for most people, select the main role that covers your general members, often labeled @Everyone. Now, look through the text channel permissions until you find Send Messages. Toggle Send Messages off so it shows as denied. That single change is what effectively locks the channel. Members with that role will still be able to view existing messages, but they won't be able to post new ones. Attachments and replies also require the ability to send messages, so those will be blocked as well. After making that change, don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom. Discord usually highlights the Save button when there are unsaved updates, so make sure you confirm them. Once saved, the channel is locked for the selected role. Members affected by this setting will see that they can't type in the message box anymore. If you have a moderator or staff role, and you didn't disable send messages for that role, your team will still be able to post while everyone else is paused. That's all there is to it. To recap, ensure you have permission, open the channel's gear icon, go to Permissions, turn off send messages for the appropriate role, and save. It's a fast, reliable way to control chatter without deleting messages or muting the entire server. Thanks for watching, and happy moderating.